Well, we have another John Deere 400 in the family. This one we pulled out of the weeds. Fella I know had this, and he's had it sitting an awfully long time. And I think we're either going to try to save it, or this might be a parts machine. It's got a lot of rust, and there's a lot of good to it too. I mean, I've seen people bring animals back worse than this, but everything's locked up. It was very hard to get moving, but we got it to roll up on the trailer. And I'm not too sure about the motor yet. I haven't tried to turn anything over, but this is just how I received it last night. We were moving a couple motorcycles, and the fella called me and told me to go ahead and try to pull it out of there and do a deal with him, but you can kind of see the bottom. This has been a rat's nest for a while. It's got some good, bad, and ugly, but again, most of them do. Take some time and get this washed up, cleaned out, and I think I might even just spray the whole thing down with diesel fuel and let it sit. Clean up some rust, see what we can knock loose, get this deck unhinged and pulled out, and we'll see what we got. Not yet. Another John Deere 400.